Assalamu alaikum dear students, me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad at Beria Foundation College, Noshar Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of the examinations. So dear students, in coming up examinations, your syllabus will be from chapter number 5 to chapter number 8. So dear students, in coming up examinations, your syllabus is based on 4 chapters: chapter number 5, chapter number 6, chapter number 7 and chapter number 8. And dear students, total pages of the said chapters will be given to you for the coming up examinations. So dear students, today's our topic is based on the revision of chapter number 5, introduction to programming language. So dear students, in revision you will have to memorize all the questions that have been covered in your notes. So dear students, based on today's lecture, your homework is to revise or memorize the questions of chapter number 5, and you will have to memorize the book pages of chapter number 5, that are book page number 67 and 68. So dear students, whatever activities are present on these pages of chapter number 5, you will have to memorize and keep in your mind as you will feel easiness during the attempt of your paper. So dear students, in today's lecture you are given 2 tasks, that are to memorize all the questions that are typed in your notes of chapter number 5, and later on you will have to memorize the activities on book page number 67 and 68. So dear students, our lecture is winded up here, and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8th.